Conflict resolution in project management. One of the ultimate confessions of project management is to get ready with ways and skills to manage conflict resolution. No project.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Pass by without numerous conflicts. Therefore, to diffuse and plant a solution is to integrate the right conflict management approaches fitting to the situation. The process of conflict resolution varies on the conflict resolution types. The strategies for conflict resolution in the workplace to function with several differences require smart conflict resolution techniques. The conflict resolution team can take steps of conflict resolution to dissolve the conflict meticulously and follow constructive ways to make a sustainable, friendly environment.
What is conflict resolution? Conflict resolution involves the action to minimize, resolve, and eliminate dynamic forms and types of conflicts. The aim is to determine whether there are any conflicts of interest within the parties of the project. It is to find and fix the negative cause of conflict and prioritize the positive outcome of improving learning in an organization. Conflicts should be addressed as early as possible or in a confidential, using the means of direct as well as collaborative means. The team also seeks ways to define conflict resolution in which a business can benefit and get effect from types or levels of conflict. The conflict resolution model focuses on segregating two means of conflict as healthy conflict. Diverse parties respect various opinions. Calm and non-defensive. Willingness to pass the issue. Seek compromise. Focus resolution. Unhealthy conflict. Lack of respect for various opinions. Explosive, defensive, and passive. Trying on winning the conflict. Lack of compromise. Fear of conflict. Top 5 conflict resolution in project management. A project manager must be keen on the types and examples of conflict resolution skills to check with natural, open conflict, a team issue, and forces a change for alternatives. Openness does resolve conflicts. Well, a method of conflict resolution should purely focus on core issues, not personalities. Stay put on the present, no past. Openness. Ready for communication. Grasping different methods between a healthy and unhealthy conflict helps you define the ideal resolution. It is helpful to run the conflict resolution methods, particularly to project any team size in the right direction. Some of the 5 conflict resolution strategies that resource teams use to handle conflict include the following points. Practice 1. Avoiding or withdrawing. This strategy aims to dissolve conflict by ignoring the scenario. This withdrawal from further engaging in the conflict occurs when the uneasiness of confrontation crosses the expected result of the resolution of the conflict. Avoidance should not be a substitute for resolving conflicts unless to calm the situation. This type of method does not contribute to control over a proper conversation but widens gaps in disengagement to the matter. Nothing gets fixed. Practice 2. Competing. Usually, this method among the conflict resolution steps completely fails to agree on the opposite coworker's point of view and prepare to win over. Conflict competing people start being assertive over the other one. A strategy where there is no space for different perspectives to sound well together. In a workspace, competing is rarely a suggestion for solving any group issues. Practice 3. Accommodating or smoothing. Smoothing is a strategy where one party opts to surrender in accepting the demands of another party. The given party is being cooperative. Also, a considerate way to give in when one finds out that the other one is at fault in an argument. The con to this strategy is that one party finds that the party entertains another party to maintain harmony just to avoid conflict. Thus, the conflict remains unresolved. Practice 4. Collaboration or confronting. Collaborating is one of the methods to dissolve the conflict in the major issues popping up to bring about the scenario. Both parties are ready to address their disagreements, negotiate and move to solve a dispute. Here, the parties' needs and wants are taken, so it is satisfactory on both ends. This practice is a win-win and is found effective for the best long-term results, but hard and time-consuming to follow. Generally, a tactic like this encourages a healthy circle to look for a potential solution and past the issue to expect good results. A shared solution everyone can support. Practice 5. Compromising. Both parties get involved in the conflict to obtain something. This solution partially satisfies both parties. Compromise makes a good umbrella for everyone to give their goals and ideas, but a poor roof for everyone to get satisfied. Nothing beats best, as compromise is the best and cheapest lawyer to a conflict with the final outcome. Here, both parties are both assertive and cooperative.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.